I'm Nikhil Kamble. I'm a full stack developer. I recently completed my full stack development course at 10x Academy. I have completed my mechanical engineering from GSSN Academy of Engineering and Technology. Despite my mechanical stream, I was always keen towards technology. For that, I had dedicated my last 6 to 7 months for learning various front-end and back-end technologies. I was looking for a guidance, a mentor who will guide me through my journey for shifting from mechanical to IT. So I needed a mentor. So from 10x, I got a actually, I have my friend was very interested in doing IT courses. He introduced me to various courses from which I gave multiple entrance exam for academies such as 10x. But as 10x was much faster in response and much more appropriate for me as I joined the pre-bootcamp and various things I done to get to the main bootcamp. I thought that 10x will be much better approach. As I said, I am from mechanical branch, so I did not know anything about IT, what to face, what to expect in the IT background. So the first thing I got from the 10x was that okay, I am doing this full stack development course. I did not know which language I was going to expect. So the first they started from was Python. So it was very easy for me to grasp the concepts they were teaching. This was the first step towards my full stack development course. And as we progressed on this full stack development course, we got one-on-one mentorship. We got GDs. The more doubts I had, the more doubts which were cleared on GD one-on-one mentorship, and the mock interviews were very helpful. I was facing some difficulties on DSA questions, or you can say web technology. So when we were doing one-on-one mentorship, he told me that Nikhil, you are wrong in this. You can improve this, and he gave me a guidance that through this particular thing I can improve, and which helped me much better. Everything I had done in the bootcamp is best, but if I have to pick one, it will be the mock interview. Which helped me overcome my fears, which helped me overcome the various thoughts I was having that I have shifted from mechanical to IT. So what will be what I was going to face in the interview. So that helped me overcome my fears. So it helped me a lot. That was my best one. When I'm saying mock interview, it was a live mock interview where the interviewer was in front. It's just like industry experience. Our cameras was on. He gave me a one Word document in which he asked some DSA questions, which I explained, solved it in front of him, which I was very conscious about. That I was conscious that I would not be able to solve it, but after some time, it went very well. Then after that, we came to the web technologies, in which he asked some basic questions and then shifted from basic to hard. So I tried to solve it and I was able to solve it. Then after the 6 months, placements came. Many companies came, which we applied. We got some assignments. We completed those assignments. And after completing the assignments, when it was the interview round, that mock interview helped me because I exactly knew what I wanted to say and how I want to. My experience from 10x Academy was, I was a fresher. I just shifted from mech to IT. So I didn't know anything, not a language, what was the language, what to expect. So I just came and started with Python, which I very much liked. That I thought initially, wow, this is very easy. Then eventually the difficulty level increased and I was like, okay, now my experience is like, at first when I came to 10x Academy, I didn't know a single thing about coding, what is a coding language and what to expect in the web technology. So as they started with the Python language, it was very easy for me to understand what is going on, what are the concepts and what to expect from in future. But as we did this easy problems, the difficulty level increased. and that's when it hit me that okay, now we are getting on the difficult part, and this I have to solve. So as we gradually went on the boot camp, I understood the concept, I solved it, and there were some bumpy roads, but one-on-one mentorship, mock live interviews, and group mentoring. It especially helped me a lot during this DSS questions, and finally I am able to land.